Alright guys, we're going to be talking about Shiba Inu SHIB USD. We're going to be doing a couple levels on Shiba Inu. This is the daily chart. As you can tell, Shiba Inu has just been pulling down like crazy, right? Ever since it made that high in about October. Now, it does lead to some smaller up movements. So here, that's about 4, 5. I wouldn't count that one because that was really untradeable. I would say it had about 5 moves that were actually tradable since October, and now we're hitting lows, 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 and more lows. So with that being said, one thing I want to show you guys before we go on a little news, we have a little range right here, right? Kind of dipped below it a little bit, came right back into it, and then start trading in that range again, which is something that we want to be mindful of. Now, make sure you guys watch the video that I have before this one. Let me check real quick, make sure I don't say it wrong. Oh yeah, it's a video on Ripple. XRP is right before this one. XRP and why you should not be trading Ripple right now. Make sure you watch that video. It's right before this one. Now, with that being said, Shiba Inu in a range, right? So we still have to be mindful of that. Even though it dipped below here a little bit, it came right back into that range. So I'll give you guys a key level that I want to break for us to actually start playing it. Again, not financial advice, but you guys know I trade all crypto markets. Just give you guys the levels that I'm looking at. Remember, don't forget, make sure you follow me on Instagram, will.knowledge. Just give me over 1,000 followers. And now let's go over the Shiba Inu, okay? I just want to read this little one paragraph right here. Now, Shiba Inu in-coin performance has been dismissed in the past few weeks, but for the last days, the price has been stable. Shiba Inu has remained that price for the last few days after killing the 5th zero. However, a lot of developments have been going on at Shiba Inu, with tokens burning being among the most discussed topic. The recent announcement, we're reading right here, the recent announcement from the Shiba Inu team is that over 410 trillion Shiba tokens have been burned since the launch of the Shiba Burn portal. However, these tokens, which was worth has been put at 4 billion, have not had the expected price impact. Okay, in fact, now I think this has something to do with all the exchanges, right? Nobody could see that coming, but the exchanges stopping withdrawals, and then when withdrawals come back, people start taking the money out because they don't trust the exchanges. So I think that all has to tie into all these cryptos kind of pulling back even harder than expected. Okay, in fact, Shiba Inu has been unable to beat its closest rival, the BitTur, whatever that is. Okay, haven't looked at that crypto yet. Now, any other cryptos you guys want me to go over, make sure you comment them down below. Don't forget that. Okay, even without such a burn rate, managed to post better price performance. Okay, so that's the main thing I want to tell you guys, how much they've been burning, the worth of it, and so forth. So let's go back to the charts. Now, with that being said, very key level that I want Shiba Inu to break. Now, if we get any up movement on the downside or any up movement on the upside, then I'll update you guys on some new levels. Let's go to the hourly chart. Okay, you can tell very tight range, not really moving too much since it had that little move right there. That's again why you don't want to chase price. Pull it all the way back down. That could have been a move right there if I was watching it, but I was not. So first level we want to break is right here. Okay, so 4 zeros, 1100. Okay, so 4 zeros, 1100. 4 zeros, 1100. I want that level to break first. So if it doesn't break that level on the upside, that means 1, it's not showing any pressure to go up. 2, it's not showing pressure, so we can't enter, because then say we enter, let me show you. Say we try to enter because it's going up, right? And we think it's going to break. It shows heavy resistance here, and then it just pulls back down to make more lows, right? So we don't want to get trapped in that. I actually want it to break, come back, test support, and then that's when we can play it on that upside actually. Okay, so this is how I'm playing Shiba Inu. Is really the only level that I am looking at right now. 4 zeros, 1100 on Shiba Inu, because that would tell us more. And then anything on the downside, like supports and stuff like that, I can add those for you if you guys want those. So let me know in the comment section if you guys want support levels and stuff on Shiba Inu. But for right now, I think the resistance levels on this are more important, because once the resistance levels start to break, then that is when we actually start making profit, because it's going to start going up. Okay, so this is kind of 2 scenarios I'm looking at right now at that resistance level. Stay tuned for more. Remember, follow me on Instagram, will.knowledge. Just posted a video over here. Make sure you go like it up. And always remember, no segregation to buy or sell anything. This is for educational purposes only. So do not trade anything you see or hear in the video. I will catch you guys in that next one.